BBC came here to interview me, I think 3 days ago or yesterday, I don't even know. I told him that if I have the number of Governor Soludo, I will congratulate him for such move. That is a divine move. What he's doing is what should have been done for a long time. Because these native doctors and witch doctors in Anambra and Igbo land, they are systematically destroying our belief, our way of life. Igbo people believe in hard work. They are known in hard work all over the world. But this set of people doing native doctor and witch doctors, they will tell you that, come, let me do a kit for you, and you will have money. And because of that, our people are no longer working, majority, believing in kit that is fake. Some of them will tell you, carry cocaine, I will do a kit. They will not arrest you. They will not see you. And because of that, many of our people that believe them have been arrested into drug trafficking. Many of them are in prison in different countries today. This set of native doctors will tell you, if you're a I will give you a charm that will make customers to become. So they are promoting evil in our land. And so what the governor of Anambra State is doing, His Excellency Governor Charles Soludo, what he's doing is encourageable. Somebody like me, I'm happy. I am the one who started the fight of Okite. I am the one who started burning Okite. I preached about it last 3 years. So all the boys who have done that Okite, they keep bringing them to Zion and we keep burning them. Our sister that was buried in Obosi, her husband's house, at night, they went to the place, they carried the same girl they buried, took her to Okija Shrine. We went there, opened the ground, we see nothing. The girl was saying that the video she saw in Okija Shrine was the video of her sister that was buried few days ago. How come they went there to carry the body without informing the villagers that Arusi killed? Till now, they tried to cover that case, but very soon that case will surface again. Because the girl, the dead body is still in Okija Shrine. We made a video about it. The evidence is there that we went there and opened the grave with the video and we saw no dead body. So I've been number one fighting against such acts. So what the governor is doing, everybody should encourage him and support him. Those boys are destroying our land. They are the one doing charm, okit and wite, to many criminals, telling them that if they shoot them, it will not enter their body. And that is why there is criminality in our land today. So I am in full support of what the governor is doing.